How to turn off end-to-end encryption in Messenger. First, launch open the Messenger app. Now, if you want to turn off end-to-end encryption in any conversation, then what you can do is simply tap and hold on that conversation. After that, you will find the option of restrict. Go ahead and find that. Tap on it. Once you have restricted this account, then you want to tap on the menu option at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, find settings. Then tap on privacy and safety. Now find the option of restricted accounts, select that. Tap on the account that you just restricted, tap on the continue option. Now tap on unrestrict. Once you have unrestricted this person, simply head back. Now if you open the conversation, you will see that the end-to-end encryption has been turned off. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.